Bearded Fisherman, out on my e-bike, man, on a rainy ass shitty day, but I love it. Peace from the Northeast of Bearded Fisherman. You know what? God's good. God creates. God takes care of the dirty work, and karma's a bitch, and it comes back. So that just shows to the world, stop bullying, cut the shit, find God again, and leave the warriors alone. Peace from the Northeast of Bearded Fisherman. All right, we'll see what's going on. So how y'all doing? Yeah, it was crazy last night. A lot of fighting, a lot of bickering. Oh my God, it's crazy. I could just about listen to it, man. They're like my family fighting, man. It sucks. I hate it. I'm gonna remain neutral, though. You know, I'm friends with all of them, and I do not want to ruin that because I found a good family of people, regardless. You know, and when I was in AA, they have a step. It's about you know, saying your story to people. You know, explaining your side of it. You know, and I think that's just about what these guys need. You know, they really do, because it's crazy. It's nuts. I'm not riding a car, man. No way. No way. That I'll never do. This guy behind me, he wants to go 50, 60 miles an hour. The road's all shitty over here. I'm not doing it. I'm not crashing this thing again. Even at 30, man, it'll hurt. You know? Try to kill it. Yeah, really. And you could have it all. My empire of dirt. I would let you down. I would let you lose. Beneath this crown of thorns upon my lion's head. Oh, I love that song. Cash is the best, man. Johnny Cash. If my brain wasn't so shot, and if I didn't have that brain injury, man, I could remember Johnny Cash like you crazy, man. I love Johnny Cash. You know, but some days I'll remember everything, you know. I remember everything. And you could have it all. My empire of dirt, I would let you down. I would let you. I gotta get some iced teas, man. I gotta get some iced teas. Try to kill it. There. There was an accident there. Man. I want to get a faster one of these eventually. I really do. I want to go 60, 50, 60. I'll be happy. It'd be cool, man. All right. I know I'm boring, y'all. I'm sorry. I want to do a live, though, one of these times. I tried to call one of my friends, but she didn't pick up the phone. Lori. I'm just kidding. All right. Now we're going to rock. All right, we're going 40, 41, 42. 42 miles an hour is fast. About 43 is the fastest I took this thing yet. Come on, Meriden, get with the program. These roads suck, man. They're terrible, man. 43, maybe. 44. I got to 44. That's cool. 44. That's real cool. gonna turn it off. And it's raining out. Is it still taping? Yes, it is. You know what? We'll leave it on for a couple minutes. This won't take long. Alright, we're gonna leave it like that for a couple minutes. So if anybody steals it, I film them. Yeah, there you go. This is where I made a video. There's like 80,000 hits right across the street. Young punk tried to start shit with me. I'd love for him to do it again. That's how messed up I am. I gotta look through my backpack. All right, it's all in there. Because I just bought some Arizona iced teas and stuff. So, all right, all set. Have a great week. Bye. Peace from the Northeast. Bye. Hang on. Hey, Bruce Lee, where are you? Just put your hands up and say hi. Hi. That's my boy. That's my homeboy Lee. You'll see me on the video. You'll see yourself on the video. All right. Hey Lee, do you want to say anything about your business in Meriden, Connecticut? Do you want to say anything while we're on live? We're not on live, bro.
Free ice pops for the kids.
Free ice pops for the kids. What else?
We used to have the lollipops for the kids.
And what is this place called? Tell them.
Oh, this place we're called Quick Stop. The quickest place in town, in and out, less than 10 seconds.
That's what they're asking me for me to interview. I'll interview you. All right. We'll set up an interview for my buddy Lee. All right. Peace out, man. All right. We'll see you. Bye.